I'm running. It's helping. You don't need nothing more than that. Let me put some duct tape on it. Oh no. You want to lift with your back in a jerky motion.
So here's the carnage, and it's rough.
All right, so where we left you off on the last video was where we blew a tire in Arizona, leaving Sand Hollow. If you stumbled into this video, this is part of a series of like the major breakdown from the journey from west to east. So you go back and hit subscribe, go back and check out some of the previous stuff. But at this point in the journey, we were leaving southern Utah. We kind of came across the reservation here. Welcome back, and we are stranded in the desert again in the truck. We have blown a tire and we are out here. I have everything needed to change it. Hey Elias, look in that tote down there under that seat, and there's a big black long socket.
Always be prepared. Like, we have a spare tire, a jack that can jack it up. We have an impact. We bought that because it'll make things easier. If you're gonna travel full time, like, it's not if it's gonna happen, it's when it's gonna happen. Have tools and have your backup and your spares and a handyman that can put it on. Uh-oh, one of these lights fell out too.
Oh no. Obliterated my wire.
Our first blowout.
Man, I was wondering, are we gonna get all the way around the country and not blow a tire?
So you jinxed us by thinking about
it. I never said it out loud.
But Jesus knew.
Well, Jesus loves me and doesn't want me to have flat tires. Or maybe Jesus is slowing me down from something down the road.
That could be.
Are we off the ground? Yeah. Jeez.
No. I want y'all to see how much his legs are moving while he's doing this.
I'm running. It's helping.
That is the correct way to jack up a big truck.
Ow. Glad I charged the battery of this thing recently.
I'm glad I made you buy that.
I love how you say made me buy it.
I'm just kidding. The impact was totally his idea, and it was a good idea.
D-Walt, if you see this, I love this thing.
Yay for more money.
Yeah, because we're going to have to replace this. But we don't have a spare.
Jeez. I don't guess I've ever seen a shredded tire, but that thing just let go. Did you feel the truck move when it blew?
I feel it, golly, yeah.
Well, you were very calm. I was proud of you through the whole thing.
I didn't know what happened, but I felt it shake the whole truck. It messed up some of the generator box. All right, we're all fixed up. Gotta put this on the truck. This is always fun. You want to lift with your back.
No, I think you got that wrong.
In a jerky motion.
No. You lift with your knees. That's how you
want to twist when you lift if you can too.
That's how you get hernias. We also had another nice couple stop and help Philip get the tire back on. So there is good in the world. There's good people who stop and help. Did you check the pressure in any of these now, or we just...
Well, I have no way to put air in them if they were low, so I figure best not to know. That's why I need that compressor for more flame.
What are you doing now?
Fixing my mud flap. The universal fastener. Man, I never stay clean on road days, man. I always try to do as much as possible the night before.
Roll around in the dirt a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's good as new right there.
Oh my gosh. You just... Babe.
Look, let me see.
That seems a little dangerous.
A little dangerous. It's got a self-tapper in it. You don't need nothing more than that. Let me put some duct tape on it. It's a good thing I don't use this feeler neck right there. I'm not even gonna put another one in it. That's how much faith I have in that screw.
Did you do anything about the lights or?
They're already fixed.
Oh, okay. Blew them out the back is what it did. At least they still work.
All right, let's get this freak show back on the road. Glad we had everything we needed to change the tire. We will update whatever goes wrong next.
Babe, no!
It's our luck.
No! But let us remind you that this is our first leg of a week-and-a-half long, 3,000-mile trip to North Carolina. So we're not starting good. We're not starting good.
It's not how you start, it's how you finish.
This could have like royally ruined our day. And we could sit here and whine and cry and be mad about it, but it really only took us about 30 minutes. But if we didn't have a spare tire, like it would have been all day and we would have paid out the wazoo.
Probably $500 or more, 500 or 600.
So always have what you need.
It was like, boom! We were like, whoa! And we all looked at each other. Liza's like, is my bike okay?
No worries about anybody else, the truck, the camper. He wanted to know if his bike was okay.
All right, we're rolling on, folks. The journey continues. So we roll on from there. We stop along the way and get a spare tire, hang out in Winslow, Arizona. That'll be another video to come. We go on, we might go through New Mexico. We checked out the Cadillac Ranch. Come look at this. The paint has like fell back.
Look at all the layers.
Yeah, it's nuts. We crashed at the Cactus Inn Harvest Host last night in McLean, Texas, off the Rugged Mountain Ranch. That's a new sound. I'm just gonna ignore it though. We get over through Oklahoma and we have an epic time at Rugged Mountain Ranch. You gotta go check out that video because it's doing really well and it was an epic time. I'd like to see that video cross 10,000 views. That'd be amazing. Then we were coming home from Rugged Mountain Ranch and that's when everything went south.
The motor blew.
It just blew up. Now it's just got a bunch of blow by and it smokes like crazy. So the motor was smoking. It just started knocking. It was missing real bad. We had to live in a rest area for a little bit. That's where we're gonna pick up next week.